In this video, I'm going to show you the secret trading view indicator that is based on the price action, and it will tell you about the price next moves in the market. And this indicator is very strong and these lines are very perfect. And I will explain that how you can go and trade this indicator. So first of all, right now, just for the guidance, I'm just taking my time frame to the 15-minute. Okay, so that I can explain you each and every step about this indicator. Okay, so before I jump into this video, guys, please visit my website fxmentorus.com. There is a banner on the website. If you're looking for the best broker, just click this banner and open your account. And if you want to check our premium indicators, then you can visit our Telegram channel. The link is given in the description of this video below. Like the market turning points, this is our premium indicator. And if you want to book the lifetime version of the market turning points indicator, then you can contact on Telegram. Okay, now let's talk about the price predictor indicator. This is completely a free indicator. So if you go to trading view, then just write a price predictor, that is the version 3 indicator, and you can see this is by some Dr. Catherine, and you can see we are getting a good number of likes on this indicator as well. Okay, now you can see that what we need to do with this indicator, you can see it is basically plotting the green and the red lines on your screen. Okay, so basically the one white line, that is the gray line, it is telling you that this is the weekly open price, and that is the long time price. Okay, so basically it is providing you a few price action levels, and here you need to take your trading decisions. So for example, if we talk about here, if you just look at here, it is telling you that this is the long time price. I mean, this is the price where the buyers can take their trading into action. Okay, and the lower side, if you just look at this is the short limits price. Like this is the price where the short term for the short positions. But right now, that if we use the trading with a common sense, like if we make a trend line, so what is the trend? The trend is completely bullish. So definitely we want the area where the long traders are going to trade in the action. So definitely we will go for that. Okay, so for example, that was the short price. You can see that we have just seen a drop. So I'm just going to show you step by step, like it is into the short limit price. Okay, so this has already gone below the short limit price. Yes, this is the long price. Like if the price breaks this one, then the price can go into the upward direction. Okay, so this was the long. You can see on Australian dollar USD the price is up. Let's see that does it work in crypto. Yes, it works. Like if you just look at here, that was the long limit price, and the Bitcoin breaks above that level, and then you can see that it moved to the next one. Okay, now more things, like you can see in these levels as well, so they can might act as a like Fibonacci retracement. So you can say that this can work as a support and resistance in that case. So overall, use this indicator but with a proper care and with a proper stop loss, and this could be a secret weapon for the trading. So if you like this video, press the like button. If you want my premium indicators, check the description for the Telegram link. Thank you very much.